How to turn off location services on your iPhone. In the iPhone, if I go, well, logic dictates that you go to the action center and look for location services or location. This is generally found in Android phones. But if you don't have it, you would think that you go to the plus icon, go to add a control, and let's look up location. If I look for location, there is nothing coming up here. So there are no controls in Action Center, which I feel is a bit inconvenient. But for this, you can go to settings, scroll down till you see privacy and security. And in privacy and security, the first thing you see is location services. Click on location services. So here you can see on top, we have location services. We can disable it, which is going to give us a warning. And if you turn it off over here, it's going to permanently turn off. Well, when I mean permanently, until you turn it back on. If I turn it back on, you can also see all the applications that have location access and when they are allowed to take the location. Let's say the weather application, there is a purple arrow, which means it recently took a location. Whereas the other applications will show you whether they have access or they don't. To change it, let's say for the App Store, I don't think you need location. Also, precise location is off, so that is great. I'm going to just select never, and that is going to be it. Now you see App Store no longer has location service. Hopefully this video has been helpful to you guys, and unfortunately that is the only way you can turn off location services on your iPhone. Hopefully this video has been helpful. Do make sure to like, share and subscribe if it has been.